Sabrina, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Sabrina. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, so today I'm doing the green makeup challenge, which was inspired by Nikki tutorials. I'm not like afraid of the color green, but I've noticed that I don't really use the color green in my makeup, so I wanted to challenge myself. And yeah, so if you want to know how to do this look, just keep watching. So I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes with some concealer, and just a heads up if you hear any noise and music playing, it's just my family working in the garage. But for my first shade, I'm going to be taking the Take Me 2 Brazil pot. I'm going to be taking this green right here and putting it in my crease. Now that I have that color on, I'm going to be taking these two greens right here and blending that out very lightly. And then I'm just going to very lightly deepen up that crease with the green right here. Okay, so now that that is all blended, I'm going to be taking the Subculture palette, and I'm going to be taking Destiny and Untamed, and I'm going to be mixing together and putting them on the outer corner of my lid. Okay, so now that that's all blended, I'm going to be taking some concealer and I'm going to be carving out half of my crease.
We all know quite a number of people who have everything that it would take to be happy, and they are not happy because they want something else, or they want more of the same. And we all know people who have lots of misfortune, and they are deeply happy. They radiate happiness. Why? Because they're grateful.
Now that my crease is cut, I'm going to be taking this shimmer white shadow from the Take Me 2 Brazil palette and putting it on the inner corner of my lid. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking Electric from the Subculture palette and Sphere from the ABH Prison palette. I'm going to be mixing them together and putting them on the rest of the part that we just cut. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to be doing my face makeup, and I'm going to do it off camera because it's the same as it always is. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so now my face makeup is done. I'm going to be doing my lower lash line, and I'm just going to be taking the colors that I put in the crease and putting them on the bottom. I think I'm going to put some white liner in the crease. There. Why not?
We all know quite a number of people who have everything that it would take to be happy, and they are not happy because they want something else, or they want more of the same. And we all know people who have lots of misfortune, and they are deeply happy. They radiate happiness. Why? Because they're grateful.
Okay, so ignore that noise. But for inner corner, I'm going to be taking that same color electric that we used on the lid. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to be taking the Milani highlight in Day Glow. Okay, so for lashes, I'm going to be taking the Pinky Rose lashes in Silk Lash. Okay, so my lashes are on and they're still kind of drying, but now for lips, I'm going to be taking the MAC lip pencil in Whirl and the MAC lipstick in Faux. So this is the final look, and if you like this look and you like this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.